In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's header using Squarespace, giving it a sleek, modern look that's both functional and visually appealing. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just setting up a personal site, having a fixed header ensures your visitors have easy access to navigation, enhancing their overall experience. Let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific page you're planning to edit. This ensures that the changes we're about to make are applied exactly where you want them. At the top left corner, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click that. This will enable you to make modifications to the various sections of your page. Now, direct your attention to the header area of your site. The header is a crucial component as it typically contains your site's main navigation links, logo, and sometimes even your contact information. To start editing the header, simply hover over this area. You'll see an option pop up allowing you to edit site header. Clicking on that will bring up a window offering various customization options. Within this new window, navigate to the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to find the Fix Position toggle. This option allows you to decide how your header behaves when viewers scroll through your site. Switching this toggle on will fix your header in place, meaning it stays visible and accessible no matter how far down a user scrolls. Next, you have the opportunity to choose between different fixed header styles. The basic style is straightforward. Your header remains prominent at the top of the page at all times. This is a great choice if you want your brand to be consistently visible and your navigation easy to access. Alternatively, there's the scroll back option. This style adds a touch of interactivity and elegance. The header will slide out of view when scrolling down and elegantly reappear when the user scrolls back up. This can make your site feel more dynamic and can be less intrusive for some users. Once you've chosen the style that best suits your site and complements your design preferences, go ahead and click Done to exit out of the editing options. Then, make sure to hit Save. This final step ensures all your adjustments are securely stored and live on your site for everyone to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have customized your Squarespace site's header for better functionality and style. Enjoy the enhancement to your site's navigation and overall user experience. And remember, a well-designed site is always a step towards leaving a lasting impression. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.